how to remove background from Wix website. So as you can see, I have this image on my Wix website. So what you're gonna have to do is simply go to site design and then simply click on page background. So if you want, you can choose to have a color. So let's say you want to have a black background. You can choose to add an image to it. So let me choose something random. So let's choose this one here, this blue one, as you can see. So it should be blue. Then you can simply add the video as a background. And as you can see, if you go to here to settings, you can change the image opacity. Here you can add a color behind the image. But yeah, if you want to remove the background, either you go with the color or you can simply choose an image. So I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.